Welcome to the deep dive. Today we are jumping straight into a piece of tech that is really redefining live production.
Oh, yeah.
Specifically, the Datavideo PTC-145 PTZ Camera. With its auto tracking, it feels less like just a piece of gear and more like, well, like a real shift in how video teams can operate.
It absolutely is a shift. I mean, our mission here is to break down how this piece of kit, and it's priced at, what, $1,699, is simplifying high-quality video.
That price point is key.
It is.
Yeah.
Because at that price, it's not just replacing a person on a tripod. It's making these multi-camera setups economically viable for, well, almost anyone. Small businesses, schools, you name it.
Okay, so let's unpack that. The main attraction here seems to be this convergence of AI and robotics.
Yes.
It seems to promise solving one of the biggest headaches in smaller productions, needing a dedicated operator for every single camera movement.
Which brings us right to its core feature,
Yeah.
a one-click AI auto-tracking. You literally just tag a speaker on screen.
And it just follows them.
It just follows them super smoothly. It frames them perfectly. It completely replaces the need for a physical joystick operator for that shot.
So if AI is doing all the work, the big question is always going to be, how good is the image? I mean, does the technical core actually support that?
It has to, right? And it does. The camera uses a high-quality CMOS sensor, and it can capture resolutions up to 1080p 60.
Okay, that's solid.
But the real secret sauce, I think, is the advanced 3D noise reduction.
Ah, okay. Tell me about that.
Well, that's essential because when a camera's moving, especially in low light like a typical auditorium, any digital noise or grain gets, exaggerated.
Right, it gets really noticeable.
Exactly. This tech just cleans all that up, ensuring you get a professional, clean image no matter what.
Speaking of movement, the sheer reach of this lens is pretty impressive. You're getting a powerful 20x optical zoom first.
Which maintains that image integrity, yeah.
And then you get another 10x digital on top of that for those really extreme close-ups.
And that zoom capability is matched by just immense physical flexibility. The camera can pan across 340 degrees.
Wow, it's nearly a full circle.
Almost. And it has a huge vertical tilt range of 120 degrees. The movement is also variable, so you can do anything from tracking fast action to these slow cinematic pulls.
That large vertical range is key. So if you're mounting this high up on a ceiling grid, you can still easily capture, say, notes on a desk way down below.
Oh, absolutely. And if you need to recall a specific shot instantly, you have 255 presets you can save.
255.
Yeah, that's enough to cover every angle of a stage, a classroom, and still have a bunch left over.
Okay, here's where it gets really interesting for me, and that's integration, the outputs. This camera offers HDMI, the traditional HD-SDI for broadcast switchers,
For those long cable runs, yep.
and IP video output. That triad means it can basically fit into any setup, old or new.
And looking at the connectivity, that flexibility comes from its streaming protocols.
Yeah.
You get simultaneous HDTI264, HDI265 dual stream output, and it supports standards like RTSP, RTMP, and SRT.
And SRT is huge now.
It's huge for reliable, low latency streaming over the public internet. It's critical for remote broadcasts.
And then there's the control and power solution. You have multiple ways to control it.
VSCA, Pelco, IP.
Right. All the standards. But the ultimate convenience factor, especially for a fixed installation, has to be the 802.3 AFPoE support.
Power over Ethernet. That just means you only need one single standard network cable.
Just one for everything.
For everything. Data, control signals, and power to the camera.
Yeah.
It just drastically simplifies installation. No more messy power cabling.
So what does this all mean for you, the listener? The PTC-145 is a highly adaptable, really automated production powerhouse. It's got high-quality 1080p imagery, extensive control, but it packages it all with that ultimate time-saver, reliable AI tracking at a revolutionary price.
And if we connect this to the bigger picture, it really raises an important question for everyone working in video. If a single camera can manage 255 precise presets and AI tracking across 340 degrees, all with just a single cable, what new roles must human camera operators evolve into? The tech has perfected the mechanics, so now the human skill set has to shift more towards creative oversight and, well, direction.